2018 Toyota Tundra, and I'm gonna change the engine air filter. I was just at the dealership. They always ask you if you want to change it. You know, it's about $60 for something that, you know, I can buy for about 20, and let's see how long it takes. So I already, hopefully you know, right by your left foot and your driver's side is the latch inside. So you look for the hood latch underneath, right here, pushing that up. There's that guy. This is where your engine air filter is. So two simple clips, one on each side. Lift it up, slightly out of the way, and this is the old one that, you know, asked me to change. Honestly, not too bad a shape, but I already bought the new one, so I'm gonna go ahead and put it in. So come over this way. I ordered, and I'll put this online. This is an 18,000 mile use one. I will say this one I haven't changed in at least at least 12,000 miles, so it was time anyway. I got a little bit longer life one there. Same shape as you can see. It's going to go in exactly like the old one did. Went with K&N long life filter. See how it goes. Back over here. So same thing. Really is only going to go in one way. Slide it in. Put it in nice and firm. Only a few things. There are two tabs in the back that you have to line up nicely on both sides. Go a little higher here. You can show on the back side there is this clip that I undid the front end. Same thing here. Oh, done. So I think that took me maybe 30 seconds, and I saved probably $40 or so. I'd say it's worth it. So if you ever get asked, don't be afraid to do it yourself. Super simple. Thanks.